Mabuhay! Tara, biyahe tayo sa lungsod ng Antipolo!
Viva Ibang Biyahe! Halina, magmadali na. Tayo na sa Antipolo. Tayo na sa Antipolo. At doon, kumain tayo ng sumay, mangga, kasal at humibing sa hamad. John Mark Kevin Lopez, 23, Antipolo City.
The Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage, whom we call Birhen ng Antipolo, is a 17th century image of the Blessed Mother, brought here by Governor General Juan Niño de Tabora from Acapulco, Mexico, on June 18, 1626.
Umakyat, manalangin sa Antipolo. Manibigusman, tayo na sa Antipolo.
Mabuhay! I'm Julius Cesar, candidate number 4 from Mayamot, Antipolo. Tara na sa Antipolo Cathedral!
Makas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Bumubulong ang hanging amihan at
welcome to Antipolo City, the pilgrimage capital of the Philippines. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ikutin natin ang bayan ng Antipolo.
Bumubulong ang hanging amihan at huni ng ibon. Dumudulog at tinatawag na tayo ng bundok.
Contender number 8 of Ginoong Antipolo 2025.
Good day, everyone.
My name is Marcual Abdumugdang and I'm officially candidate of Ginoong Antipolo. I would like to encourage all of you to watch my pageant at Simulong Park on March 29, 2025.
Welcome to Antipolo! Step to history at Old Buso Church, also known as Nuestra Señora de la Anunciata Parish, built in the 16th century. This church has witnessed centuries of faith, destruction, and rebirth. Its rustic charm and the strong foundation stand as a reminder of Antipolo's rich heritage. And while you're here, don't miss out on Antipolo's best drinks, suman, crunchy kasoy, and our delicious kakanis. Need a break? Mount Puro Nature Reserve offers fresh air, lush trails, and the perfect escape into nature. Enjoy amazing views, peaceful surroundings, and a chance to reconnect with yourself away from the city's noise. Adventure seekers, this one's for you. Esmos Falls is a hidden paradise where you can cool off in crystal clear waters. Surrounded by nature's raw beauty, a perfect spot for those who love exploring the wild. Kaya saan ka pa? Tayo na sa Antipolo!
Welcome to Antipolo Rizal! Tayo na sa Antipolo!
This is Joshua Salibio, your candidate for Ginoong Antipolo 2025. Be ready as I'll show you the beauty of Antipolo. The Hinulugang Taktak is located in Barangay de la Paz, Antipolo City, Rizal, Philippines. It's a scenic destination renowned for its natural beauty. The park features the majestic Hinulugang Taktak waterfall, which cascades into a shallow catch basin surrounded by lush greenery. Visitors can enjoy a leisurely stroll along the park's pathways, take in the serene atmosphere, and have picnics in designated areas. Binulugang Taktak is not only a natural wonder, but also a cultural and historical landmark, offering visitors a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Come with me as we're going to visit Mingay, Pasalubong. Sumaka is an acronym for Suman, Manga, Kasoy, and Hamaka, which are popular delicacies from Antipolo, Philippines. Sumaka was also the name of festival in Antipolo that celebrated these local products. The festival is known as the Maytime Festival. These are the products of Antipolo has to offer. This is Joshua Salibio, your candidate number 14 for Ginoong Antipolo. Watch me live on March 29, 2025.
I am Joben Perez Morong, your Ginoo number 9. Tara na sa Antipolo!
Isipin mo sana ang sarili lang, pakisama't bayanihan. Subukan natin sulat ligawan. Magandang bukas, ikaw at ako magkasama tayo sa bungin ng kinabukasan.
Kyle Villanueva na nagmula sa Cainta, probinsya ng Rizal. Tara't samahan niyo akong libutin at tuklasin ang angking ganda ng Antipolo City.